Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visits Tangmong Village, announces handicraft training center will be established in the village. Tura MP Saleng Sangma calls for strengthened border security, urged government to strengthen BSF and complete border fencing. PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak highlights success of single village water supply schemes. And Port SC concluded its first football tournament with Rinja SC emerging as the winner, defeating Port SC 2-1. The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited Tangmong Village in East Khasi Hills, marking the first time a sitting Chief Minister has visited the village. The village is known for its natural beauty, traditional bamboo craftsmanship and weaving. Sangma directed officials to procure the village's bamboo and handicraft products in bulk for gifting to dignitaries. A new handicraft training center will be established in the village to provide modern infrastructure and training. He also assured that a new building for Tangmong Secondary School will be sanctioned under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Tura MP Saleng Sangma has raised concerns about the tense geopolitical situation in the region, particularly along Meghalaya's border with Bangladesh. He has urged the government to strengthen the border security force and complete border fencing. Sangma emphasized the need to prioritize border security due to the long border Meghalaya shares with Bangladesh. 2 new BSF camps are planned in Jaintia Hills and Agaro Hills, with land being identified for them.
Already written to the Home Ministry regarding the strengthening of strengthening of not only the border fencing also, but to strengthen the strength of BSF and all the other security forces who is mending the border area. Now, as I've told you, to strengthen the border area, they have already sanctioned 2 camps in our state already. Okay. So I think the strength is, we are getting the strength from the central government. Central government is definitely helping to strengthen the border areas. And then moreover, the BSF and all, they are working really tirelessly.
Public Health Engineering Minister Marcus N. Marak has highlighted the effectiveness of single village water supply schemes SVWSS in delivering drinking water to rural households under the Jal Jeevan mission. SVWSS are showing greater promise in providing reliable water access to rural areas, overcoming challenges faced by multi-village schemes. The minister inspected the Karongre water supply scheme, which aims to supply potable water to Barenga, Para town and parts of Dalu.
Single village water supply scheme.
There are lots, many I don't remember the exact numbers, so there are many single village water supply schemes also. In the Karongre, I will tell you one story. It took so long because there was a flood last year, you remember. Because of that flood, so many pipelines which were already laid was washed away, and then some of the pumping stations which has already constructed was filled with muds and all. So that needs to be cleared, and all the pumpings were damaged, and it has to be replaced. So it is replaced now, so it's going to be operational very soon.
The Meghalaya government is set to unlock the state's tourism potential with the expansion of Umroi Airport, allowing larger aircraft to land by next year. According to Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Department CVD Dengdo, the introduction of direct flights from Shillong is expected to draw a significant increase in tourist arrivals. The upgraded runway will enable Airbus A320 aircraft to land in Shillong from multiple Indian cities.
The government has taken many initiatives recently to expand the runway of the Shillong airport. In fact, the tender by Airport Authority of India is already out. This will be a great boost and major boost to tourism, because we know that with direct flight connectivity, the number of tourists will definitely increase. Shillong is a very popular destination. Many people who land at Guwahati airport are Shillong bound or Meghalaya bound. So this will definitely increase the number of flights with the expanded runway. The A320s will be able to land. And with this, there will be a great boost in tourism.
The reconstruction of Yamus Market Complex in Jawai is progressing rapidly, with approximately 25% of the rupees 25.60 crore project completed within 4 months of restarting. Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla inspected the site and expressed confidence in meeting the project's deadline within 2 years. The project is progressing rapidly with 25% completion in 4 months. The Giant Hills Autonomous District Council will manage and oversee the market post-construction.
Malarang subanay dan dapat almost 100% structural work you the like Now men what you what le man go systematic the you become a fight boy the yes kilang if you tok kat du chi thao hagon adu wi block the you kaleng dapat juga so em ki thao em you kre nga dap rum sin us now men ne the you kam de tip lang hi ro ni tok jing trang jing ang nut tok dapat yang nong chnong yong chnong juai henry yang lum jan ti ai ro wi.
The Hinyao Trap Meghalaya Ex-Services League held a meeting to reconstitute its Riboy District Unit leadership for 2025 to 2028. S. Thankia was appointed president and Niren Pamba became general secretary. The new office bearers were officially inducted, with the central body emphasizing the importance of district units. The association aims to support retired servicemen and their families, providing benefits like educational aid, pensions and marriage benefits. The Social, Economic and Life Development (SELD) Committee of Nongri District inaugurated a newly constructed home for Kong Theresia Maupnyang, a member of the underprivileged community. The house, costing over rupees 3 lakh, was built with the support of the committee and local leaders. The home was formally inaugurated by Reverend H.L. Kongwir, former moderator of the KGP Synod Sepngi. Charles Marngar, MLA and Secretary of the SELD Committee, reaffirmed the committee's commitment to providing homes for those in need. Kong Theresia Maupnyang and her family expressed joy and appreciation for the new home.
Support. Tenagaliang jong ke SELD Committee hadir mengiladap banyak perkhat sanibha, tagawai kesur, nilai rai, bangin pej budget, ikilong yeng, kawai na kilong yeng hapo ke district. Banyarap ban pensnaying bat nakaliang jong ke komiti kelapha sia ke kam sia ke floor jong ke district bat nak niso kemen ban nakaliang jong ke district hibar koi kila pediang bat kila aibor ya ke komiti ban jet ya ke longyeng apa ke district bat ban pensnay ya ke takiyeng bedok.
A community library was inaugurated at Don Bosco Youth Center to promote education and foster community growth. Local MLA Dr. Amprin Lingdo emphasized the importance of reading books for leisure, knowledge and personal growth. The library aims to provide a space for community members to access knowledge and promote education. Lingdo expressed concerns about the potential impact of AI on people's perception of issues. The MLA suggested that the Senkanthe should reach out to nearby schools to encourage children to utilize the library. The Meghalaya Trinamool Congress organized a solidarity march in Tura to honor the country's defense forces and express appreciation for their valor, bravery and sacrifice. The march was led by Dr. Mukul Sangma and Rupa M. Marak, MLA. The event aimed to demonstrate solidarity with the nation's defense forces and acknowledge their tireless efforts in safeguarding the country. Dr. Mukul Sangma emphasized the importance of expressing gratitude for the Defence Forces' unwavering commitment to national security.
We pray for peace in our region. We pray for peace in Asia. We pray for global peace. So that the global community can live as one, in harmony, unity, and with love and compassion for each other.
The MLA of Nongpo constituency, Meralbon CM, inaugurated a newly constructed cemetery shed at Umden, Nongtlo village. The project was implemented under the Special Rural Works Program for 2023 to 2024. The shed provides shelter from the sun and rain, ensuring smooth conduct of religious rites and ceremonies during burials. The inauguration ceremony was attended by Father Michael Kongan, parish priest of Umden, Shanbor Trang, headman of Umden Nongtulu, and other community members. A volunteer from East Giant Hills District, Reaching Sun Siangshai, has submitted a right to information RTI request to the Deputy Commissioner's Office. The request seeks clarity on the operational style and functionality of the District Selection Committee. Siangshai's RTI request aims to clarify the DSC's processes and address concerns raised by local job applicants. Applicants have expressed confusion about the selection procedures, and Siangshai hopes the RTI will provide necessary information. The RTI request seeks to promote transparency in the DSC's operations and functionality.
Kedah ko penman yang ngau file to hadin da ko ko ujor le ko pon gi nak kro ko apply le ko pon kedau kijing kana ki yang henrekat em ka fax sakti te umnu ong ye te yuluti ko anda to kini concern department ku respond ki lani reply ki ya ke RTI yang hite yu pai ko ka tom to kam kita kijing ot lani kita kijing ujor ki yang ki kon control apo yang ke district ki yang ki.
The Umpawin Social and Cultural Sports Club concluded its first football tournament with Rinja SC emerging as the winner, defeating Umpawin SC 2-1 in the final match. The event was attended by notable dignitaries, including Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar and MDC Kinjo Lang Rangtong. Rinja SC won the tournament with a 2-1 victory over Umpawin SC. MLA Charles Marngar expressed plans to improve sports infrastructure, including building a new ground in Umpawin. The event showcased the region's commitment to advancing its sporting culture, with local clubs and community members coming together to host a memorable occasion. Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 13.5 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 90%. 18.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 77%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai says light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visits Tangmong Village, announces handicraft training center will be established in the village. Tura MP Saleng Sangma calls for strengthened border security, urge government to strengthen BSF and complete border fencing. PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak highlights success of single village water supply schemes. And Umpawin SC concluded its first football tournament with Rinja SC emerging as the winner, defeating Umpawin SC 2-1. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.
পাকিস্তানৰ গৃহ বিভাগৰ চিঠি পোৱাৰ পিছত শ্ৰদ্ধেয় গৌৰৱ